Yeah. Excuse me. Oh. Ooh. Oh. I worked hard, so I don't have to work hard. Oh, yeah.
And then check to get rid of some. This huntsman ride. That was a 10. Yes.
Oh.
You do fly technically in some ways, Tish, when you think about it. Run.
I'm sorry.
No. I was gonna ask you, how long have you?
I could just. Ooh, I thought I could just be like roaming down. Ooh. Sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna switch bikinis in a minute, off stream. Off stream.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh, fuck. Yeet. Is it gonna be there? Excuse me. Look what you made me do. You made me burp. Show off. I can't help my burps. Excuse me. So much death and it's all Bob's fault. Oh. There's something left in there. There's some left in there. There was the rest of it.